So is this a rug? Or should I just keep dumping money that I can't afford to lose into it? Let me know what you guys think. Beefwood now the price of 120. That's crazy. I can't decide if this is a rug pull because it was like 750, like 80% drop in less than a week. Okay, or it's a great bargain opportunity. Regardless, tell me what you think. I'm thinking about doing a series about this, but it needs to stabilize and go up and decide that it's not a rug. Either way, my name is Finance After 40 Ziv. This is what we're doing today. I'm gonna show you some resources, how to fish. We're gonna go over this one and this one. This is crazy, crazy. And once my computer is live, I bought a new computer. I'm changing from the old one that you see me right here to the new one. Took me like 2 weeks. We're gonna start again doing one by one by one. Let's effing go. Airdrops galore. Look at this massive airdrop list. Of course, links will be in the description below, plus Patreon to support this channel. On all the airdrops, we've added artificial intelligent prediction. I have like 20 coins, like the large cap coins, in a watch list. And so far in the last week, we got a sell signal. I'm glad we got out in Bitcoin. That was the first sell signal. That was the first warning sign like a week ago at 47.5. 19 out of 20 got a sell signal so far. Luna 18 out of 20. Luna was the last one to hold the fort or the castle if we're going to fortis. Luna fell yesterday, got a sell signal. Doge is the last one standing, and I added to the list yesterday Near protocol was a buy signal according to the AI at $10 3 weeks ago. It's 18 now. It's not sell just yet, but the buy was 80% before that. So feel free to join Patreon below for $10 a month to access all of that. Let's start. Enough shilling. Massive airdrop list. This list contains, we're gonna do this one, we're gonna do this one as well. Shout out to those two people on Twitter. Telling you, when you start digging in Twitter, not the whole garbage Twitter, like legit value people in Twitter, there's a lot of good content, there's a lot of bad content, but focus and stay and maybe follow me, not for me, I don't post there, just to see who I follow, because those are the people that I follow after I basically just read other people who to follow and read what they do, not just follow blindly. I think my username is Ziv or something. Let's just click just so you know. 21 tweets. You see, I don't do anything. Ziv1243. That's all. I just follow like 50 people, and feel free to do the same. Let's learn how to fish. So, massive airdrop list. Even Chico Crypto talked about this guy at the list in the last video yesterday. So this is super good resource. This list contains 45 projects that don't have a token yet, and find a summary of each project and what you can do to potentially get an airdrop. Thank you for the list. Entire 140 plus list is on DeFi Llama. I'm not gonna do the 140, I'm gonna stick to the 45, and ideally we're gonna do hopefully all of them. At least I will do all of them for me, but you can do for yourself and wait for my videos to come out on a daily basis where we will do one just to see what's up. We got ourselves just the number one wormhole. I've already used it for myself. They had a hack and they paid the head, then the VC paid back the wormhole, so the hack is fine. You can bridge, basically bridges should be huge, but a lot of hacks lately, so that's a problem. Go use wormhole. Yeah, I will do a video so we can use wormhole. I myself use Rango, whatever it's called. We got an airdrop confirmed. We have another airdrop confirmed in October. But you see, it tells you a little bit about it, wormhole, what to do, bridge tokens and NFT. Okay, I'm not gonna bridge NFT, but I have bridge tokens in the past. I'll probably do a video. Terra Money has a bridge at Terra Money which enables transaction between Terra, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain bridge. Focus on the ones that you know are getting you airdrops, like the Cosmos ecosystem, and bridges should be good. Last year, Stellar Bridge, just by using it, I think once you got like $2,000. Same with Avalanche Bridge. Just so that's like solid picks. If you have time to do all of them, sure, why not? You need time and money basically in life. Parallel Fi, some stuff I've never heard about. Centralized MMA market on Polkadot ecosystem. Okay, so start exploring Polkadot. You probably need a Polkadot basically wallet. We haven't done that. This is another ecosystem that I haven't even touched. Polkadot. We've done so much and we have so much more to do. So feel free to subscribe and join me in this journey. Query allow project. I'm just going roughly. I'm not gonna read all of them, but just in case. Allow projects to launch their own liquidity mining. Do some mining on their website. Okay, very interesting. I want to see if there's a lot of rumors about this one, DeFi Saver. Basically, it's like Zapper or Zapion or DBank, which I've done all of them. But this one is specifically on Ethereum. That's why I haven't, but I might will just for the airdrop. TerraSwap, I've used TerraSwap a couple of times, not for the airdrop, just to moving money from Terra Station, swap in TerraSwap, and then send it to Kepler because the Rancho didn't work with Osmosis. That's fine. So perform a couple of swap. Atrix, only Serum, so this is Solana one. Okay, I'm not a fan of Solana testnets or mainnet because I haven't seen airdrops just yet, but just me for the Solana system as a whole. OPYN, go short long on Ethereum or deposit into one of their strategies. Story time, I've used OPYN like 2 years ago and I'm still waiting on basically a coin. Okay, that's the reality. Everyone are saying, hey, when's coin, when's coin? I don't know why they don't have a coin. Posted 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I've done a couple of trades. I also done my first video, I think, on my YouTube channel, not 2 years ago, a year ago, was like how to use OPYN. And yeah, basically. Set protocol, I've done that before. This is like the one we did a few days ago. What's it called? Learned, something like that, where you just put money in a pool. Someone is making a pool, like the pool that I've done. Atom Atom USD, and yeah, the same thing allows you to bring crypto strategies live, purchase a set or create your own set. Exactly the same. So if I've done that, I should probably do a video because it's a pretty simple one. And let's see something else that I know. So those are all on DeFi Llama. Element Finance, I've done it before. I think it's on Ethereum only. Hope Protocol, again, should be huge. We're waiting on MetaMask, waiting on Hope Exchange, waiting on Arbitrum, Optimism, OpenSea if they have a coin or not. We're waiting, just waiting, and people are getting frustrated. Don't get frustrated with me. I don't make the coin. No, and the year hasn't ended. We're only in April, so just you gotta have patience in this crypto game. You planted the seeds, now move forward and just wait. Plant more seeds, more seeds. That's it. Eventually, you will get rewarded. Yeah, not a financial advice. Polkadot, I'm gonna do the ones, we're gonna get into Polkadot as well. Because I need to put some money in there, at least testnets, and get the wallet and see how it all works compared to Cosmos, MetaMask, all that stuff. IOTA is safe, fast, and secure bridge. Another bridge between IOTEX. That's another one that I haven't even touched, but I heard good things about it. Ondo Finance, I heard this name. I don't know what it does. Friction. I've done a video about Friction. Sell cover calls and sell cash secure puts on Solana, Ethereum, on the Solana blockchain, basically the Solana ecosystem. Solana blockchain, who used this one? On the Solana ecosystem, I've done it like 2 months ago. Still no airdrop, but who knows? As I said, I'm not a Solana fan for just because the airdrops. I haven't seen any airdrop just yet. For Solana, correct me if I'm wrong. Did you get any airdrops from Solana? Let's see what else we got. Solo top, Super Fluid. I've done it for myself. Go try it yourself. It's a little complicated. I've done it on Medic, across product protocol, another bridge. You only can use, as far as I know, the one that, yeah, Ethereum. That's why I didn't do a video. But I've done it for myself. I send Ethereum from layer 1 to layer 2. And who knows? They said they will have a coin. It's April. Life doesn't end in April. Okay? Just plant your seeds. Zigzag and ZK Sync. We've done it in December, I think. Yeah, we've done it. We're waiting. We've done ZK Sync. We've done Zigzag, and we just wait. Let's see. Connects, another bridge. Right, it's another bridge. If I trustless chains, I think it's a bridge connects. Yeah, I've done it before. Don't just wait for my video and then just click show more and do all the rest. So let's move on to the next one. Let's just make sure I'm recording, which I am. Next one is this one. Shout out to this guy from Twitter, 0x Tia Testnet. And by the way, what's the name of this person? Just so you can follow him instead of going all over the links below. Airdrop Snooper. There we go. Airdrop Snooper. Shout out to you. And 0x Tia Testnet. So this one is specifically for testnets, okay? And you got some testnet is live, so you can do the testnet. Just focus on the green ones. Already airdrop is the blue ones, testnet end is the red one, okay, and testnet will start is the yellow. Just focus on the green one. He updates this Excel daily. However, and this is a keynote, when the testnet is live doesn't mean the rewards are gonna be there. It means there's a testnet. It doesn't confirm anything. Hey, we're gonna do an airdrop. However, he did post it yesterday. He said, if they don't say there's gonna be rewards, there's gonna be less people that gonna do it. And eventually, if there is a reward, the people that have done this game will get even more coins. So grind away if you have time. Doesn't cost you anything because it's all testnet. You click on a few buttons and it's just you grind your way, just like you game NFT, whatever the case. So let's move on. Let's say just for the example, fluidity we've done, union 5 we've done, I don't know what is chi, sacred we've done. Okay, so I'm glad to see that I'm good. I've done a couple of those. What else we got here? And just ignore all the rest that are not live. Just for the example, rainbow protocol, I heard about it, I need to do it. Okay, just that's a quick view. Suez, MySwap, Mint Square, it's Starknet. I've sent you the resource a few days ago. I need to do videos about Starknet again. Oasis on Starknet. Starknet's gonna be huge. Start using the Argent wallet, which I have done again. Snail on Near. We need to go Near protocol. Spaces on Avalanche Fuji. It's a testnet. There's a lot of stuff. Jazzy Swap, Starknet. All those are testnets, so we need a wallet, some new wallets, some testnets, some faucets. It's a process. I'll get there. Zilliqa, out of nowhere this week, jump a lot. I don't know, I think 200%. I didn't pay attention. I just saw it on CoinGecko. Zilal, testnet, cool. Zilliqa is back to live. Bitmap box on Starknet. Cool. Near. Rinky B is Ethereum, X back end on Algorand. Interesting, a new Algorand one. Degis we've done. Avalanche Domain we've done. Mystico, I haven't done that. Horizon, we've done that. There was no airdrop. People bite my head off in the comment. Why did you do a testnet if there's no airdrop? Again, don't do all. You can do all of them. Some will give you, some not. But look at this list. It's just gigantic. All testnet. There's a lot. This is the latest one from Starknet. Moonbeam, Hurricane from Terra, Kaivi from Cosmos. Interesting. That's interesting. I'll check this out. Kronos Finance, Vertex Star. There's a lot. All the links will be in the description below. Patreon, $10 a month to support this channel so I can keep doing videos. We'll start going one by one. And hopefully we will also add some daily updates on the Fortis ecosystem, as long as they don't drag us in the next couple of days. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.